Hello everybody, very warm welcome to Mom and Bob World. Friends, we all have some makeup secrets, right? I also do have some makeup secrets. So today I am going to reveal with you all my some basic makeup essentials which I keep in my office bag or my travel bag. So whenever I step out from my home, I keep this small handy makeup pouch in my bag, either it's travel bag or it's office bag, so that whenever I want, I can do some makeup touch-up. I honestly don't believe in heavy makeup or lots of makeup. I just do minimal makeup to look good. I don't know why when I put a lot of makeup in my face, I feel really heavy. I feel like just washing off my face as soon as possible. I reach my home or wherever I get water to wash my face. I really don't believe in so much of makeup. I just believe in some sober makeup which I prefer. This is the pouch which I carry with me in my I carry this in my office bag also on daily basis. I don't take out. This pouch is from brand Burberry London, and let's open it. Actually this pouch is overburdened you can see, so let's open it. So the first stuff coming out is this Lakme ka Skin Expert Powder Compact. This is ultra matte compact non-sticky sun protection. So this is really handy and useful compact. Then I carry bindi, then clip hair clutcher, then I carry my lip balm. This is my lip balm, Lakme Lip Love cherry flavor. Then I have tissue paper, then this Pond's ka White Beauty BB Plus cream. This cream is, I think it is much better than any other famous brands. It's the color is G1 01 Original Instant Spot Coverage Plus Natural Glow, and yes, this gives me a glow, a fair look. Then comes here my Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. This is brick red. This color is my favorite color. I'm using this, not this lipstick, but the color brick red. I'm using almost for 6 to 7 years, and the color really suits me. So I was in search and ended up in buying this Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse. This lipstick is so creamy type of texture, and when you wear on your lips, you don't feel that you are wearing something on your lips. So I love this brand. I love this lipstick. So this is one of my favorite lipsticks which I wear. Then I have some body lotions and hand cream. One is from Ignis and one is from Novotel. I mean, these are samples cream which we get in hotels and all. The most good thing about these creams and lotions are they smell awesome. The smell lingers everywhere, and they are very light, not greasy, not heavy at all. You can wear all day. Whenever I feel very dry, my hands are dry or my face are dry, I do apply these instantly, and I am just sorted out with all the dryness and all. So these are really handy. Then a sindoor. I do keep a sindoor in my makeup pouch because for Hindu culture, sindoor is must. So whenever I'm in hurry, I forget to apply sindoor on my forehead, so I always keep a sindoor. And there a perfume from miniature perfume from Paco Rabanne. I had these many of them, but I just lost. I just lose here and there, things keep losing from my hand. So this is the last one miniature perfume left with me, and its smell is really awesome, if I apply. Oh my god. This is really awesome Paco Rabanne. And some tic tac clips, TikTok, tic tac, and I mean confusing. And some safe ribbons. So guys, my makeup box is all empty, and I don't have any extra makeup. These were the basic makeup which I apply on my body, on my face, because as I told you, I believe in minimal makeup. So friends, hope you all liked my this segment of what's in my makeup pouch or on the go makeup pouch. Keep supporting guys, keep loving, and I really need your all support. So please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and hit the bell icon so that you can get the all the notifications which I for the videos I upload. So मिलते हैं अगली बार नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और भी अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस के साथ. Till then, take care.